later.
I have a time machine. Where should I go? Back to the dinosaurs or to what my parents know? The 60s, 70s and 80s were an inspirational time when music was at its best. Hairstyles and clothes were larger than life. Elvis Presley, what a legend, singing his heart out in his blue sweatsuits. Dolly Parton working 9 to 5, a country western star through and through. Hairstyles were big and bold, trying to stand out in the crowd. Hairsprays and gels were essential to look cool. Those clothes were in the league of their own. Jungle prints in green and yellow, or to dress like an Indian, all of which was normal. Now I had my fun now, singing what it was like. Time to go back, or should I say forward to the here and now?